March, Monday. Changmala Tashidele to all. Today we are at Medical College for birthday distribution. The institution is Nepal Mahila Bal Balika Sanstha. The help was from Geshitashi Dorje, the institution Sikikung Khepling. And the birthday girl name is Tenzing Norzum Drechang from Toronto, Canada, daughter of Chogal Dewatsang and Yangchen Doka Dewat Dang, turning 10 years old on 22nd March this coming Monday. It's her birthday. The money that was given is US dollar 200, Nepali rupees 23,200. The food were food 33 set 250, total 8,250. 16 dozen copies, total 6,450. 33 packets meant 3,000. Birthday cake 2,500. Fruit 3,000. Total expense rupees 23,200. And lastly, happy birthday.
Anak कसो छ नन्नो लक्ष्मी घर पुग्छ लाइन बस है बहिनी खाना दिनु